Vikram was a man of discipline, a father who had fulfilled all his responsibilities with sincerity. With both his sons happily married and settled, he finally found time for himself. But rather than idling away, he immersed himself in a new passion, naturopathy. Every day, he would sit by the window with his old leather-bound diary, meticulously jotting down notes about natural remedies, holistic healing, and wellness tips he had researched. His sons, caught up in their own responsibilities, never questioned what he was so dedicated to writing. One evening, his daughter-in-law, Kavya, noticed him scribbling away. Curious, she asked, "Papa, you spend so much time with this diary. What are you writing?" Vikram smiled, adjusting his glasses. "Now that my main duties are over, I wanted to keep myself engaged. I've always been fascinated by the power of nature in healing. So, I research naturopathy and document everything here. Maybe one day, someone might find it useful." Kavya flipped through the pages, amazed by the depth of knowledge. "Papa, this isn't just a hobby, this is wisdom. Have you shared this with anyone?" Vikram shook his head. "Who has the time to listen? Everyone is busy with their own lives." Kavya's heart ached. She knew such valuable work shouldn't go unnoticed. That night, she had an idea. She created a blog titled Nature's Wisdom by Vikram and began typing his handwritten notes into digital posts. She shared the blog with friends, family, and online communities interested in holistic health. Within weeks, the blog gained traction. People started commenting, asking questions, and even requesting specific remedies. One evening, she showed Vikram the responses. His eyes widened in disbelief. "People are actually reading this?" he asked, overwhelmed. "Not just reading, Papa. They are learning from you," Kavya said with a proud smile. Encouraged, Vikram began writing with renewed enthusiasm, knowing his knowledge was making a difference. Eventually, he even started a small online session where he shared his insights live with those interested. His once private passion had blossomed into something impactful. One evening, as he closed his diary, he looked at Kavya with gratitude. "I thought I was just passing time, but you helped me see that my work had meaning." She smiled. "Papa, wisdom is never meant to be locked away in a diary. It's meant to be shared with the world."
And for the first time in years, Vikram felt a sense of fulfillment, not just in writing, but in knowing his words were making a difference while he was still here to see it.